He literally wrote the book on paving his path from fashion designer to customizing one of the world's great collections. His restorations caught the eye of the automotive industry, putting this urban outlaw squarely in the fast lane. I ran into him here at Porsche North America headquarters and clued him in on a can't-miss mountain collection.
At the Porsche Experience Center, I heard about this guy Carl. He's got this Porsche collection and he's a wine guy in North Georgia mountains, and I like to get out and drive, so I figured, hey, pedal to the metal. We'll see what's in here. I'm mostly a beer guy, but we'll see what Georgia wine's all about. Pretty nice place.
Wolf Mountain Vineyards, family-owned, small winery producing European-style dry red wine and white wine blends and some incredible sparkling wines.
Hey, Carl. How you doing? Great to meet you. What an awesome place.
Well, it's about time you got here.
Well, it's pretty exciting. I mean, what a spectacular location.
Garage is right ahead.
Well, I'm super excited to be able to check out Carl's garages. Apparently, he's got a couple of them, so you never know what's lurking behind these barn doors. Well, let's start with numero uno. Let's see what you got in here.
Yes, sir.
Bunch of Porsche cars. This looks like the speedster room.
It is.